Do you hear something, buddy?
Yeah.
What do you hear?
The ice cream truck.
The ice cream truck. Nice.
Well, Noah was basically... Noah was swimming in the pool. And he's like, Mom, what's that? I was like, what? And so then I listened very faintly and I could hear it. The sound of every kid's childhood except for mine because I lived in, you know, Austin, so really. But it's the ice cream truck. It's coming. The ice cream truck's coming! Are you guys excited? Cool, me too.
Are you excited?
I never met the ice cream truck. I'm so wet in the pool. So wet.
What do you see, guys? You guys ready? Okay, let's go see him. Come on. Come on, May. Other side, buddy. Yeah, I'll grab it. What do you see, bud? Yeah. What do you see? You see a lot of things. Why don't you ask him what his favorite is?
What is it?
All of them.
All of them.
Yeah, I like all of them.
Is that the one you want? How come? Cuz? May May, which one are you getting? You getting that one? Okay. Alrighty, so we've got rockets. Mommy likes the rockets. And we've got a sour one. Is that for Noah?
Yeah.
There you go, Doodle.
Sour one.
And we've got a cyclone for May May.
Oh.
There we go.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad.
Can you guys wave to the ice cream guy? Oh, there he goes. Okay, wave, guys. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Alrighty, guys. You ready to get in there? All right.
There.
How is it, buddy? Try it.
I think it's sour.
Yeah.
Nice, not sour.
Best way to know is by putting it in your mouth.
Please have a mobile Slurpee unit.
A mobile Slurpee unit.
Where's Mom?
Mom's is in the box.
Mobile 7-Eleven.
Hmm.
Tasty. Told you I like sour.
Yeah.
Not like these. Not like these. This is it. No. Sour. It's mine. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Huh?
Was that good?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
want some more.
I bet you do.
Can we go to the ice cream truck and get more?
Next time he comes, buddy.
He'll be back.
Okay. We'll be back here today.
Maybe not today, but maybe next week. He always comes back. There's just something about overpriced sugar water from a truck.